It's been 69 years of Wellam's existence today, and a lot has changed. The buildings, the roads, the fields. But what has not changed is the fact that we Wellamites wake up every morning with the same zeal, the same excitement, the same spirit since 1937. So ladies and gentlemen, hold your breath for Wellam News, because we are going to tell you what Wellam is all about. Most people outside school believe that Wellam just produces sportsmen. But with the ISC and the ICSC results this year, this mindset is surely going to change. 15 students from the ICSC scored above the 90 bracket, and Parth Prasha topped the ISC with a phenomenal 95%.
We don't need no education. We don't need no thought control. No dark sarcasm in the classroom.
हम खड़े हैं एशले हॉल में और हमने यहाँ पे अभी एक ड्रग अब्यूज़ पे नाटक दिखाया है। आइए बात करते हैं हमारी जनरेशन के लोगों से कि इन पर उनका क्या असर पड़ेगा।
Actually, first of all, we all would have to follow it. Yes. Yeah. Exactly. You guys are like into all this smoking and also. Oh yeah, don't put this on TV, man.
Okay, no.
Don't worry. We guys,
Yeah, we are partially just for the personal sake.
So, it was an eye-opener for all of us.
और भैया कैसे हो? सीधे देखो, थोड़ा प्यार से बात करो। यहाँ से मेरा दिमाग में देखिए, वो अंग्रेज है, वो दूर से दूसरे देश से आके यहाँ पे लड़ाई कर रही है। तो आपको लगता नहीं है हमारे देश वाले को खुद बोलना चाहिए, शर्म करना चाहिए, हमें खुद अंदर से बोलना चाहिए, हम नशा नहीं करेंगे।
वेलम में हर पर्व एक अनोखे ढंग से मनाया जाता है। इस साल हमारा स्वतंत्रता दिवस बड़े ही धूमधाम से मनाया गया और यह दिन हमने अपने सपोर्ट स्टाफ को समर्पित किया। साथ ही दिवाली यानी दीपों के त्योहार को हमारे वेलम परिवार ने बड़ी ही खुशी और उल्लास से मनाया। दियों की रोशनी ने हमारे वेलम की रौनक में चार चांद लगा दी।
For those of you who are crying for infrastructural development in school, we now have a replacement for the rickety old Triveni. The construction for this building started way back in January 2006, and this project is to be completed by March 2007. Since a decade, the whole school was blabbing that Wellam is lacking in the technology field. But now internet has reached every single building of this institution, including the common rooms. But if you underestimate the brain of the authorities, think again. Because with the internet, they have also introduced the firewall.
Forfeit the game before somebody else takes you out of the frame and put your name to shame, cover up your face. You can't run the race, the pace is too fast, it just won't last.
The school's audio-visual room has just been renovated to provide entertainment at its best.
You love the way I look at you while taking pleasure.
The Vellum Old Boys Society has donated a fully equipped ambulance to the school for medical purposes. The school has purchased a new 160 kVA generator to provide immediate backup against any power failure.
For the first time ever, our school hosted an inter-school financial studies quiz. Schools from all over the country participated, and St. George's College, Missouri, walked away with the trophy.
To supply essential public services under government ownership and control. Question passes to Vellum Boys.
The railways.
Members of other teams visiting
This
teams,
year was very successful for the debating society.
members of the post
We won individual positions in almost every debate we participated in. The Arthur Hughes OBE Inter-School English Debate, our very own Karthik Vishwanath was adjudged the most promising speaker, while Vellum came in the second place.
God to idolize.
वेलम में इस बात पर खास ध्यान दिया जाता है कि वेलमाइट्स अपनी संस्कृति से न बिछड़ें। इस साल पहली बार बैसाखी के पावन पर्व पर एक रंगारंग कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया गया, जिसमें विभिन्न प्रांतों के नृत्यों का प्रदर्शन हुआ। साथ ही इन प्रांतों के व्यंजनों के भी स्टॉल लगाए गए। इस साल दो नामी गिरामी संगीतकारों ने भी वेलमाइट्स के सामने अपना प्रदर्शन किया। इनमें से एक मशहूर कंट्री फोक गायक बॉबी कैश हैं, जिन्होंने हमें अपने गाने सुनाकर हमारा दिल जीत लिया। साथ ही विश्व प्रसिद्ध शास्त्रीय संगीतकार पंडित अजय पोहंकर जी को भी सुनने का मौका हम वेलमाइट्स को प्राप्त हुआ। School is an active member of the Round Square. This year, our boys participated in a tsunami relief project held at Muzukudurai in Chennai to rehabilitate the affected. A delegation from our school also participated in the Round Square conference in Gordonston, Scotland. The theme this year was Plus et en vous, which means there is more in you.
This year proved to be a memorable one for sports in Vellum. Our school hosted the Kadhani Memorial Hockey Tournament for a third consecutive time, which was eventually won by YPS Patiala. Coming to soccer, the soccer team also did pretty well throughout the season. They reached the semi-final of two tournaments, which include Om Prakash tournament at Common and the Councils. Team proved its mettle in various tournaments, and there were the three major tournaments, which include Winmombi at Woodstock, Councils, and our very own Golden Jubilee. Golf is
the latest addition to sport in Vellum. The athletic season this year began on the 16th of October. Events ranging from 1500 meters, 3000 meters, 200 meter, high jump to events like 100 meter, triple jump, long jump took place. Students showed active participation in these events, full of will and spirit. Manishek Gupta, the athletics captain of the school, has been winning the best athlete since last 7 years. He's the current school record holder in triple jump.
Ladies and gentlemen, hold on your seats, because now we're going to take a sneak peek inside the principal's cottage. So this is the place the principal stays.
You want to know what sir does when wife goes on pep duty?
So this is Sir's chill out room, Sir's common room. This is where Sir has butter chicken. Oh, guys, start feeding now. Start grabbing whatever you can. Where is the refrigerator? How come ma'am is being so nice today? और ये अजय जी हैं जो अपनी जान पे बाजी लगा के कॉटेज की देखभाल करते हैं। नींद भी आती है क्या? बस काम काम। How old is the cottage?
The cottage is as old as the school, 70 years. But it started off as a toll barrier, then it became a post office, then it became a cottage with just maybe 2 rooms. Then as every principal came in, they added 1 room. So it's very ad hoc, it's a bit like a rabbit warren. And there's no structural soundness about it. This room shakes when the trucks go by. And in fact, we've been advised by IIT Roorkee engineers to vacate this room and get the hell out of here with all our books. Because they're saying there's a collapse for these days.
This is what every Wellamite wants to know. So tell us something about your dogs. I mean, in the morning they take you for a walk and you take them for a walk both ways. So tell us something about your dog.
Oh, my dogs have been my eternal companions. We had dogs ever since we got married, so I can't imagine a life without dogs. And it's my yoga to be able to train them. At least they don't talk back to me, they don't give me trouble, they don't bunk, they don't keep mobiles, they don't violate the dress code, they don't make demands like give us outings, self-outs and stuff like that. So it's a great pleasure to have them really.
This is the way the cookie crumbles.